Come test drive the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, towing package. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.